Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I am Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 5919 Eastlake Road in the community of Lakeshore Landing on gorgeous Seneca Lake.
This is an amazing property, so let's take a tour.
This is open living at its best. This great room encompasses a kitchen, dining, and living areas with oak hardwood floors, a stone fireplace, 20-foot cedar ceilings with Douglas fir beams, and a wall of windows with over 3-mile views of gorgeous Seneca Lake. The first floor also features a beautiful full bathroom and 2 spacious bedrooms, one of which has a sliding glass door leading to the open porch.
This amazing second floor master suite features a walk-in closet, a full bathroom, and an office overlook with panoramic views of the lake.
The lower level features a foyer, a full bathroom, and a family room with a stone gas fireplace and beautiful lake views.
The architecture of this custom Lindell home is just amazing. The landscaping is just beautiful.
This home is situated on a premium 1-acre plus lot, which has a private entrance to Sampson State Park, which features over 2,000 acres for all your outdoor activities.
Lakeshore Landing is a very special community in the heart of wine country on the east side of beautiful Seneca Lake.
This waterfront community enjoys private access to a 184-foot beach and boat launch. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Seneca Lake. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 5919 Eastlake Road in the community of Lakeshore Landing on gorgeous Seneca Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here.